Hello! Today we're here to talk about the J sound. Once again, the J sound has a minimal pair with the CH sound, which we will learn about soon. It can also be confusing for some learners of English because the J spelling may be automatically produced as a Y sound by some individuals who are used to that pronunciation in their native language. So let's work today on learning the correct pronunciation of this sound in order to improve our understanding of the J sound overall. The J sound is the voiced version of the sound, which means that our vocal cords need to vibrate during the production of the sound. To make it, we have to start by stopping air from leaving our mouth for a second, because just like some of the other sounds we've been learning recently, it is a stop consonant. We do this by lifting our tongue and pressing it against the top of our mouth in behind the top teeth, while allowing the sides of our tongue to press against the top side teeth. Our jaw remains neutral during the beginning part of this sound, and our teeth stay close together in the front of our mouths. Our lips form a loose circle or oval shape while being pushed slightly away from our teeth. When we release our tongue down, air is forced along the top of the tongue with a bit of friction, forming the correct sound. Unlike some of the sounds we've been learning lately that can make a constant sound over time, the J sound is a short, strong, and clipped sound. So we need to release it quickly and end it quickly. J, J. A key word that we can use to think about this sound correctly is jug. J, J, jug. Great work. We can find this sound in any position of a word, beginning, middle, or end. It has several common spellings, however, and you may notice that certain spellings are more common in certain positions of a word. See if you notice any patterns during our practice today. The common spellings for the J sound are J, G, GE, D, DJ, GG, and DGE. Let's try some practice. Joy, general, job, gem, joke, jeep, giant, jealous, German, jam, energy, subject, manager, soldier, major, suggest, adjust, aging, judge, ginger, advantage, large, bridge, huge, image, message, edge, language, page, charge. Nice work. Let's try a sentence. The giant aging judge gingerly managed the challenge of the huge message on the page about wages. The giant aging judge gingerly managed the challenge of the huge message on the page about wages. Congratulations! You're doing such a great job and improving your language skills every day. Don't forget to keep practicing and subscribe to my YouTube channel for free to not miss J's minimal pair, CH. See you later!